go! Two-wheel drive legend, folks. Energy. Hey guys, so obviously you clicked on this video here to see which winch is going to give you your best bang for your buck. So here we got a Champion winch here from Canadian Tire. I paid $129 for this one winch here. This factory Polaris winch, well, this is an 06 Sportsman. It's been on here ever since I've owned this quad for about a year. And it finally gave out on me. So I don't know how old this winch is. I assume it is as old as this quad. It's from 2006. But it finally gave out. And it wasn't ever that great. So I know there's big names out there. I can go out there and buy another Polaris brand winch for about 450 bucks. I can go buy a Warren winch. But screw it. This is Bootleg Diesel's cheap winch review. Now let's open up that box and see what's inside. Alright guys, so we bought the Champion Power Equipment winch here. I bought it here from good old Canadian Tire out here in British Columbia. I paid $129 for this cheap winch review. So let's go to the unboxing and let's see what we got in this. So, we got a do not return this product to store. That's a good sign. Oh, look at this! I can get a free t-shirt, guys. Whoa. You can get a free t-shirt. Whoa. That's the second good sign. $129. Alright, so got the winch plate. Got bolt for the rollers, looks like. Alright, let's take this off. Alright, look at this. It's not looking so bad for $129. Beats any Warren winch, I would say. Got the control for the handlebars. Got all your electrical wiring. That's pretty mint. Alright, let's see what else we got. Oh, we got a solenoid. Look at that. Wow, that's pretty nice. Oh, there's the roller. Put that back in there for safekeeping. What's this? Oh, we got a hook. Got the hook. And obviously, guys, we got the winch. So I'm going to put this on the quad. And we're gonna go have some fun. It's currently right now, it's the middle of November, so there's a bit of snow up here in the mountains in BC. Let's see what kind of fun we can get into with this. We rolling? Alright guys, so install the Champion winch. Zoom in on that so everyone knows there's a Champion winch on there. We got a little splash and a little muddy. But Trevor here, he's kind of a little bit impatient because it's time to do our first test with the winch. We're going to see if he can get it out. So let's do this here. We're going to release the clutch. Let's see. Here you go, Trev. Let's see if the Champion winch. I paid $129 for this winch. The 3,000-pound Champion winch.
How much wire I got left?
Just keep on going. There's like 50 feet.
35.
No, 50.
35. I read the label.
You can't read the look at that. Get it. Oh.
Well, you got a rocket, you know.
Well, she's not like that stuck, but like she's kind of stuck.
It's a two-wheel drive legend.
That's
why I got stuck.
Get that greasy meat of yours in that greasy water.
Oh yeah.
First time using this winch. Oh, let's see what it can do. Is it hooked?
Yeah, it's hooked.
All right, guys. The moment everyone's been waiting for. See if this winch actually works. Line. Crap, don't start it. I'll just pull first test. Got two-wheel drive Legend out.
Thank you, sir.
No problems, actually. I was actually pretty shocked. I think it was just like dragging you.
Oh yeah, no, it worked really great. I was gonna leave it in neutral, but I thought I'd just help it along.
129 bucks.
Fucking skewed. I should have bought one myself.
You can't really complain. On to the next test. We got the Champion Power Equipment winch here. Got the strap in the tree. I think you guys can guess what I'm about to do. I'm gonna winch the deer into the tree. Okay. It's a little bouncy. Let's see if this Champion winch can lift this thing up. Everyone place your bets. Will it do it? Will it not? We're gonna find out. Let's see, put her in neutral.
Headlights off.
Let's, oh yes.
Save powers.
Save power.
Oh, clutch.
Oh. You're absolutely right. Okay.
Why our rims don't match?
We don't talk about that, but get a close up on the beautiful lake that we're at, though. Look at that. All right.
Oh yeah.
Oh, she's going. Look at this. Make sure she's kind of centered. This is Bootleg Diesels Cheap Winch Review. Hit that like button. Hit the subscribe if you want to see more shit like this. Put it in neutral. Like a ride at Playland. Hey, when you just go up, you're like, oh man. I hope this branch doesn't fall. Are we off the ground?
No.
Well, I'm gonna get off this. Oh, Jesus Christ. Just in case this. Oh, we totally are off the ground.
No, my. Oh, now you are. She's hanging.
Hey, boys. It's, you know how people put like Christmas tree ornaments? This is mine. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned till the next episode. That's hilarious.
Oh, you gotta swing it just to make sure that hitch is off the ground.
Oh, here.
She's off. Oh yeah.
Look at this. Oh yeah. 3,000 pound champion winch from Canadian Tire on sale, $129. You can put your quad in a tree. Look at this. Oh, you know that game Tetherball? Oh yeah. I wonder. Let's see. Yeah. Yeah. Wow, look at that. Like I said, guys, hit that like button, subscribe to see more of Bootleg Diesel. Thanks for watching. Well, we got it in here. We got it up. I don't know how it's gonna come down because I think it's just gonna just hit. So this is gonna be interesting. Behind the scenes here. Alright, I'm gonna go like this. Hercules!
Now you gotta put it in reverse, but it can't, you don't want it to run.
No.
Just pull it.
Oh, we never should have had the hitch on, but yeah, I guess you're right. Oh, thank God I got this good old jerry can here at the handle. Oh my God, Jesus Christ. It's awful. Sheila. Oh. Oh, okay. Oh my God. You guys ever see P90X? Bootleg 90X. Oh. Fucking, she's right in there.
Jesus Christ.
Oh my God. It's like when you're like high centered on something. I wonder if I use the stack. leverage.
I think it's already broken.
I'm pretty good wielder. Oh! Okay. Okay. Oh! I need you on the wheel! Oh! Oh, thank God. Oh, she's stuck on the tree! She's stuck! Jesus Christ! Oh my God. Where is she stuck on the tree? Okay, should be good. Okay. Thank you, Mr. Tree, for not killing me. Okay. Now, you guys try this. Most important is you should at least let the quad sit for about a couple minutes. But luckily, we got the nice view of the lake. I'm not going for a swim. It's too cold.